Can a long-distance relationship actually work? Long-distance relationship can work with commitment, trust, and strong communication. Regular virtual check-ins, planned visits, and shared goals help maintain connection. Overcoming challenges like time zones and limited physical presence requires emotional resilience and clear plans for a future together, ensuring success. Top 3 rules to make a long-distance relationship. Last one. Consistent communication. Schedule regular calls or messages to maintain emotional intimacy and keep each other updated. 2. Build trust. Be honest, transparent, and supportive to strengthen the foundation of your relationship. Third plan. Visits. Create opportunities for in-person connection to sustain closeness. How long should a long-distance relationship last before closing the distance? The ideal duration varies, but most experts suggest setting a clear timeline to close the distance within 1 to 2 years. Prolonged separation can strain emotional connection, so aligning future plans and working towards a shared living situation ensures the relationship's long-term success. How often should you visit each other in a long-distance relationship? Visiting every 1 to 3 months is ideal for maintaining connection in a long-distance relationship, depending on distance, finances, and schedules. Regular visits strengthen emotional intimacy and create shared memories, ensuring both partners feel valued while balancing the realities of their individual circumstances. Long-distance relationship success stories. What worked for them? Success stories reveal that long-distance couples thrive with clear communication, unwavering trust, and shared goals. Many prioritize frequent video calls, surprise visits, and meaningful gestures. Setting a timeline to close the distance and focusing on growth as a team helps them succeed. Should you set an end date for your long-distance relationship? Deciding whether to set an end date for your long-distance relationship depends on your shared goals and circumstances. While an end date can provide motivation and focus, flexibility is crucial. Open communication about your future plans helps maintain trust and commitment throughout the distance. Can you fall in love without meeting in person? Pros and cons. Falling in love without meeting in person is possible through deep emotional connection. Pros include meaningful conversations and building trust. However, cons involve lack of physical chemistry and potential misrepresentation. Balancing virtual bonding with eventual in-person meetings ensures a stronger, more authentic relationship.